Today we're adding Subaru's Cargo Hook to our WRX STI in under 1 minute. Let's get into it. Alright, so we've got the washer and the screw going through on each side. On the back, we're just attaching these rubber bits on, so they're quite loose and ready to go. Sweet. Let's fit it up. So then we're going to look at these holes underneath the boot, and we're going to find that this lines right up with them and slots straight in. So you can fit this anywhere along any of those holes. I'm going to put it in the middle. Alright, so here's the finished product. Got some bags on our hooks. They are on there nice and secure. That's not going to fall off. I really like the shape of this hook with the little lips so the bag won't come off. Once we drive and get home, off they go. Clipped right back in until you need it next. What a great idea. Alright, all done. What a great little mod. So I bought this from Amazon. I'll pop a link in the description and share the part number as well in case you want to do this to your own WRX. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful. Have a good one. Cheers.